Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Helen with me, and I want to show you how I'm going to color her hair first, and then we'll do the cut in the next video. Super good friend, family friend forever. She has been coming to me for over 23 years, and she's seen it all, haven't you? With my kids and all. It's great. So first off, let's come over here. I want to show you how I'm going to mix. I'm mixing the 20 volume with the 4R. Okay, this is the Goldwell Top Chic. That means it's permanent. And I'm doing the 4R. This is going to be the red in her hair, which will be, it's so cute. I remember talking her into doing it. And at first she was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. She comes back and she said, okay, let's try it. And now she's addicted, she loves it. Okay, so, and then the bleach, I'm gonna take a half a scoop of bleach, and I'm gonna use 40 volume. Her hair is darker, and I'm going to use 40 volume. The other thing I love to do when I mix my color is I love to add a few drops of my oil. This will help protect the hair when it's lifting the pigment out in the bleach, and then it adds conditioning to the colored part. Helps the color stay in. Okay, so the consistency, you can see it's not runny and it's not too thick. It needs to be wet enough that it's going to color the hair and pull that pigment out, but not too runny. Okay, the other thing is there's little foils and there is longer foils. I wanted to show you the difference. I like, and then of course there's even longer, but I like to use these little foils with short hair. I only have a few of those left, so I'm gonna use those first and show you, and then I will just move on to the bigger. But I'd like to start up here. Now we're gonna come short back here, so you guys need to realize you can't bring the color down too far or it's gonna be blotchy down here. You're gonna have little spots if you go shorter. So be careful, just kind of stay on top of the head when you color. So just kind of eye that down. Okay, I always like to start with the darker or obviously the red. First, I do a medium size weave, which when I pull the hair down, you'll be able to see that. And you can see I didn't pull enough out there. It was too solid. So come back here. Okay, then I'm gonna bring this foil in. And I hold that down with my fingers. Then I bring this in. This is the red. Like I said, I used a 20 volume. That will help cover gray. Or natural highlighting, right? Yeah. You're welcome, Helen. Okay, and then I'm just gonna come around this side. Again, a medium weave. You can see when I put that down on the foil. And what I love about short hair is you can kind of, I mean, you just look at it and you place the hair where you need it. And I love, I'm just coming forward and you can see the natural highlighting here. Oh, I love her.
Well deserved.
That's right, absolutely. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do it more fine up here in this front because you don't want it like really chunky where it's lighter like that. You just want it to blend more. So in this front, I'm gonna do it a little bit more fine. So I'm actually, I just tore one of those longer ones in half. There we go. Okay. Then I'm going to turn her around. And Helen, do you want 2 of the red to 1, or do you want more blonde than red? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking more red.
Okay. See, I've got her addicted. She likes more red. So what I'm going to do here is obviously the red still, because I'm coming along the back. Okay, and again, this is that front area where I'm going to do it more fine. Okay, so we're going to do this fine right here. So it blends nice in the front. Again, like I said, I'm just ripping those long ones in half. Oh, I'm going to hold this hair away with my thumb. Okay, so I'm going to do two layers of foils with the red. So again, I'm doing the red right up front here on her sides. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm just going to come around another layer of the red, and then I'll come back and show you with the bleach. Okay, so I did the other row of the red, and now I'm just coming in. I'm doing medium size for the bleach. You'll notice that with short hair, it's a lot harder to weave than longer because you have to hold the hair really tight. And so if you have hair that kind of flips out of your hands and it's hard to hold, just know you're doing it right. It just takes some practice because it can be, you know, frustrating if it's too, you know, when it's short. So just hang in there. You will get it. Okay, then I'm coming here on this side to do a blonde. And then after this other side, then, or after this one, then I will show you guys that I just go on the other side and do the blonde again, and then I will add the red after that. Now, if there is blonde already on the hair, you don't want to go over that blonde. You will burn their hair off. So do not go over the blonde. Okay. Just got a little bit on that end, so I just get that off. Okay, then on this end. Okay, so I'm gonna do the blonde here, and then I'm going to start at the top, and I'm gonna do 2 rows of the red, then 1 blonde, 2 rows red, 1 blonde, okay? And I just do that all over the head till we're done. So I'll show you when we're done with it, so you can see what it looks like. guys, so I went around like I had showed you with the 2 red, 1 blonde. So the last one that I ended with was a red. So I'm coming through the top here with medium weave. And I'm doing the blonde. Okay. All right, and then another blonde. And then we are going to go with a red and a red after this blonde. So I'm just staying off of those ends right here that are more blonde. Okay, then 2 more red. Okay, so then after the 2 red, then I'm gonna go 2 blonde, then 2 red, 2 blonde on this top. And then we will do the haircut and you will be able to see the color. So thank you so much.